Okay, I'm going to attempt to make Greek fire cheese. You might see this in a Greek restaurant. So what you need first, cheese. This is a Canadian cheese, a blend of cow and goat's milk, salt, bacterial culture, calcium chloride, and microbial enzyme. Ask your local cheese man what kind of cheese you can use. You can use different kinds of firm cheese for this. This one's made for the Saganaki. You're going to need some oil to cook in. I'm going to use avocado oil. You need some kind of a liquor, which is optional, to make the flame at the end. You could just fry it in the oil and eat it like that. And you can douse it with a little bit of lemon when you're done. Fresh lemons are better. I have lemon juice. Need a source of flame to light the liquor if it doesn't light up. Need a pan, heat source, flour for dredging. Okay, we'll open up the cheese. Cut it in a fancy triangle. Dredge in the flour. Add your oil to your pan, medium-high heat. Let that heat up. Okay, once the oil is good and hot, you can put the dredged cheese in the oil. You just want to cook it for a minute or two on each side. And we'll do the other side. About a minute, minute and a half, until it's a nice brown. And then the exciting part comes. All right, the other side looks pretty good too. Okay, push that out of the way. There's about an ounce there. And shut the heat source off. I also recommend you have a cover for the pan in case your fire gets out of control. You can cover it and be near water. In fact, I don't recommend that you do this at all. This is just what I'm doing. Here we go. Don't have paper towels nearby either.
It was so high.
And that's it. Greek fire cheese. With a touch of lemon. Now you can eat this by itself, or you could have it with some bread.
And it was good.
Enjoy.